Hi guys, ito yung bagong kwento namin guys. Mag-shoutout kami guys. Semento guys, bago pa yan guys. Sinira na namin. Ito yung namin driver, driver guys. Yan. Yan yung natrabaho namin guys. Sira na kasi yan, kaya ang tawag dyan, red blocking. So, dandan lang siya guys, baka madama yung kabila. Yan. At ito naman guys, balik lang yan, batang perito. Astig kaday. Ito yan. Ayan. Dun. Na ito guys. Pag-boop. Yan. Ito na, babag niya siya guys.
Hero?
Ay, lumabay yung bus guys. Okay guys. Ito guys man. Sige. Bilisan mo dyan. Marami yan tapos. Isang block lang yan guys. Hello guys. Isang block lang yan. Bakit guys? 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 Ito na.